Hello guys, hi, hello, hi. You've been here, welcome back. Anyways, my name is TBK, whatever you want to call me. So today I'm just going to take you through a quick and easy dinner to make, which I just made for my family. It was for like 5 people, 6 people if you can say. And this was awesome, easy, quick dinner, let me tell you. As you can see, there I go, heating up my pan, pouring some oil, and I know it's a lot of oil, okay, but yeah, you need that much oil. So I'm going to be making mama's pies, sausage rolls, and I'm going to be doing these buffalo wings. So they're already like crispy and whatever. There's no need to prepare. It's just a toss and eat, and yeah, it's done. As you can see, I'm just putting them in my saucepan, in my frying pan. Same thing, right? I don't know, but anyways, yeah, there you go. You can see I made like quite a few. So but I did this batch and I had to do another one, obviously, because it's like for 6 people. Was it 6 people? My dad, my mom, me, and myself. Yeah. Ooh, I can count. Yeah, it was for 6 people. And yeah, it's just that easy, and you just have to toss and turn it and make sure it's cooked, and it's very quick to cook. I'm not gonna lie, this took like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it was done. And I promise you, they are so crunchy, scrumptious, and already I'm like dripping my saliva. I'm like drooling on this. And there you go, taking it out. Obviously, you're gonna need a paper towel just to, what do you call it? So I don't want this oil, I don't want it to be oily. So with the paper towel will like absorb the oil that there is there. And this is better to eat after you just make it, like out of the pot. Just serve it and eat it while it's still crispy, because if you leave it overnight and stuff, it's not as crispy as now. Like, can you see this? It is I feel like I'm eating it right now, right? Anyways, so I was done. Then I did the second batch. I don't think I'm going to show you that. So another thing that I'm going to prepare is the mushrooms. And I'm going to show you just now how I do my mushrooms. But as you can see, this chicken is better than KFC, baby. With my mushrooms, so what I did is I'm gonna beat my egg first, because I'm gonna pour it all over the mushrooms. No, I am lying. Okay, I did pour it over the mushroom, but I'm also gonna use it to cover up my sausage rolls, so that they will be crispy and yummy when they are done. So as you can see there, I'm just gonna rub all over my sausage rolls, right? They're gonna be so damn good. While you're still watching that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, baby, we can teach each other a few things. You can watch my vlogs. I love to cook now and again. Sometimes I bake. I don't have a lot of baking in this channel yet, but I am gonna include you in my baking days when I feel like I want to bake. You can join me. And I also love to cook, and I love DIYs, and I don't know, I just like everything, okay? I just want to do everything. That's just me. I'm the kind of person that just wants to try everything there is in the world to try. And yeah. So anyways, when I'm done with this, I'm just gonna put it in the oven. I don't know for how long, but should be done in like 30 minutes. I just want it like to be crispy and yeah, well cooked. And then while I do that, I go to my mushrooms. I'm gonna add my egg, and then I'm gonna fry that too. So here I use the same oil that I used for my chicken. I just put in the egg, and then I just use like soup powder so that they're crunchy. I did not use baking flour, because that's what I usually put. And there it is, guys. That's my food. So now I'm going to enjoy it. All right. Uyayizwani ma? Ungasayindaba ngibiza umngani wami Sidla. Uthi indaba ngibiza umngani wami Sidla. Hayi yes, asa. You guys have no idea. I really enjoyed this. I'm not gonna lie, and it was really filling. I mean, this is sausage roll, guys. So yeah, and that's just me enjoying my food. I hope you guys can give me your ideas of what's quick and easy to make for dinner that you guys make at home. Thank you so much for watching this video.